Hello from King Rollers. In this video, I demonstrate rolling a cigarette with the tumbleweed. The tumbleweed is adjustable. The length of the cloth determines the depth of this pocket, which changes the diameter of the roll. To adjust the diameter, turn over the roller and slide the rod out of its notch towards the back of the roller. The cloth is released and the length can then be adjusted. To lock the cloth back in place, slide the rod towards the front of the roller into its notch. To begin rolling, make sure the rod is to the back and the pocket of the cloth is in the front of the rod. For both cigarettes and joints, evenly add shredded tobacco or cannabis to the pocket and lightly tamp it down. A little practice and you'll figure out how much to add. Take your thumbs and slide the cloth away from you, removing any slack. Now slide the rod towards you to close the pocket while continuing to push the cloth away with your thumbs. Once the rod has closed the pocket, let go and add the rolling paper or wrap with the sticky side up and nearest you. Gently slide the paper to the edge of the rod and tuck it under if possible. If not, just hold it with your thumbs. You can now roll the rod up over the paper. When only the glue strip is showing, gently wet the paper and complete the roll by pulling the rod towards you while applying a bit of downward pressure. Voila! It's as easy as that.